Tate Aswana, Navele Kujito, Kasla Meshu, Kampo, Kiziwangawana, Lord Vaela, Kitomegawari, Matogu, Balabala Kaswa, Matogu, Umutswa Shakaza, Opaswana, which you wore now. Magu of Jitri Matogu Obaeta Pili Mari Naka Mama Fabana Makosia Rena Tuna Rena Maeta Pili Barenaka Mukali Politiki Gire Matogu O Mistia Venda Yo Ileori Paswana Ubile Leona Maheminch Kerema Toku Uba Singu Kawari Kibana Baba Leore Makulun Paswana Abe Munna Ramutompe Karaba in the Famsadi Yoilore Umutefile Ejajile Ubiba Kobaneo Baba Banora Kawa Chakili Kirema Togo, Usichawa Kamuka, Kasabra Nafit, Ugamazvika, Batukamuka, Baba Palale Chuba Paswani, Linguistia Venda, Kirema Togo. To the Paswana family and single families, relatives and friends, I greet you all in this difficult period in my capacity as Dean of School of Human and Social Sciences. Please accept my deepest condolences for your family's loss. Words cannot even begin to express our shock and sorrow at the loss of someone so special. May you be comforted by the outpouring of love surrounding you during these trying times. The Department of African Languages at Stellenbosch, which is headed by Professor Awande Zali, requested my office to convey a message of heartfelt condolences to the Paswana family, including his colleagues at Univen. The department is urging you, Mrs. Paswana in particular, to find strength and comfort during this trying and difficult times. To you, Mrs. Paswana, Robert Sexton says, across the years, I will walk with you in deep green forests, on shores of sand, and when our time on earth is true, in heaven too, you will have a hand. End of quote. Dr. Paswana had an association with the University of Venda, started by being a student. He studied at Univen from 1981 to 1994, where he completed his undergraduate degree until he got his honors and BA. From 1987 to 2017, Dr. Paswana became a Univen employee, where he ended up serving the University of Venda for a total of 30 years. He started as a teaching assistant in the Department of Chivenda, where he ended up as a lecturer, also appointed as a senior lecturer in the Department of Linguistics, which later changed to the current Department of Communication and Applied Language Studies, abbreviated as COLS. And this department offers linguistics, media studies, and sign language. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Paswana is the founder of this department. Now, his work ethic, Dr. Paswana was a committed academic. This is evidenced by the following: the number of postgraduate students he produced, the number of publications in various forms, the number of mentored students and colleagues. Dr. Paswana was brave and he would speak his mind without fear or favor, This made him very popular at UNIMEN, as the TV's academic has indicated. Dr. Paswana actively participated in various committees such as departmental meetings, school board, school degrees committee, Senate, and institutional forum. In these various committees, would make sure that his voice was heard. As his immediate line manager, he would confront me when there was a need. He was not afraid to question his line manager, including executive management. Bodini, ukovera mini hapa, that was in Kelebei. Dr. Paswana gave and acknowledged positive comments when good things were happening within the school. Bodini, Nedia Deva, Chikolo Chahashu, Chikoya Pada. Of course, I will support you again. Dr. Paswana was a good listener. Even when things were tough, he would never raise his temper, but would remain cool and collected. Dr. Paswana was full of jokes, some of which had to do with his health. He liked to talk about the day when he was stopped at Otopa for speeding. He tried to get off his car without his crutches. In shock, the traffic cops shouted, "Munna Yohana Mautu," before letting him to go. Dr. Paswana was a person who gave selflessly. After he realized that I like goat meat, he would freely give me a goat to share with my family. This happened every Christmas as a sign of Ubuntu. Something he shared with me, he was giving cash and educational resources to schools in Limpopo. His health, Dr. Paswana experienced several health challenges that made him frequent the medical clinic. Last week, 5th of October 2017, he couldn't attend the last school board meeting because he was indisposed. As the chairperson of the board, I made colleagues aware of his ill health. Despite his ill health, he still wanted to see his postgraduate students graduate. To the entire Paswana family, relatives, and Shakaza community, as well as the entire South African population, David Moret says the following when there are issues of this nature. I quote, "I would say to those who mourn, look upon each day that comes as a challenge, as a test of courage. The pain will come in waves, some days worse than others, for no apparent reason. Accept that. Do not suppress it. Never attempt to hide grief." End of quote. Dr. Paswana was a staunch supporter of Kaizer Chiefs. Despite the difficult period that the club is going through, his unique smile, particularly after the Chiefs' loss, would be sorely missed. To the Paswana family, please remember the following about the late Dr. Paswana. He would appreciate continuation of his dreams, aspirations, and wishes he shared with you. To his children and the entire immediate family, don't despair. Chin up and remain focused. Make sure that his legacy is nurtured and mentored and maintained. To the department, Dr. Paswana had some plans that you as members of the department know about. As he used to share this with you, let those plans get implemented and you would like to see the goals achieved. To the students, particularly the postgraduate students that he supervised, use the knowledge and skills that he imparted to you. Let there be teamwork within the department. Martin Stapneck says the following, I quote, "When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved." End of quote. To all members of the School of Human and Social Sciences, Dr. Paswana would enjoy his peaceful sleep if we continue with what he envisaged at the event. notably the Human Science Face-to-Face. That is our building. Let all the knowledge, experience, and expertise that Dr. Paswana shared with us continue for the welfare and benefit of our beloved institution. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, please remember what Annie Style says about death. I quote, "We understand death only after it has placed its hands on someone we love." End of quote. May the soul of Ukelebeni, as I used to call him, rest in peace. I thank you for the
Thank you, Prof. He has been cementing on what most of the people have been saying about the caliber of Dr. Paswana and how he had been working with different type of Africans. Indeed, you would question where it deserves to be questioned. Sometimes he would say, no, sit around. Those who were close to him would remember that. Without a waste of time, I'm going to call upon a young doctor who had served with Dr. Paswana. And this doctor is MC Nechisau. He's also a senior lecturer. He's going to render a poem to salute Dr. Paswana. Let's have a short song whilst Dr. Nechisau will be coming to the fore.
Mshiriza mshumo bikolibu wa HPB undi dendi itechireno echichireno asichireno ngorega ndichireno ngamubacho ndichireno chiambaho Onkelebeni Edward Paswa Oje Lichirendo chiambaho Paswa Chirendo azongo mkondela uchimwa gauri ndoba nikumwala sinagazidi ka Onkelebeni Edward Paswa foda la nyamorpe na Johannes Paswa mwana wa Ndabele abebya iwe nazili Kedza kuhedana asibe mungu arali esiyiwe chikope chopebyawo chokudachedza shalana ngela udzina lava chiprofita chalwauloshaka othe wafira wakufuka asala zevezera vatu vachiyevedzana ndivo yafodala nyamwao vendi chini che usikono kuringanyurura chokuringana vendi chini chechanda watotomudza usichisvikere vendi vodade linovhiringanyurura vhiringa lakushayi kutoma ndihumbura misila ucheligava kukati ya mavele hewadzula wava kudoupumba ngomuchitumba chavo kumachero havo vauonaho vanyadza mumbo yavo yanyedza kutoma kumachero havo usavonali chiviri chavo ngamato chiviri chedza chichinyenga kachedza chemwari achitakawe mirore nemirapo minji worati usongojere wapira zvanga lichicha udodova wakumisva vege ichipera wadova akuwarata samurato wamuri pfungo yachedzana ndivo yavo zvakusadzevedzeve miromoni yavazungu vomatakuveni ndimwanade anosvika apasa zveasifunzve weyavapindura endibva vupo ngepinduro yemutombo wovusa lihanya kavamhengulo mituku kavo misi yote vachinango kukutukana kupika mini kusatati na ushava muntu na kale wamanda itari kutukunwa kama mutari hote hote vadededzi vamafanedza vaupatonipo ikuravo yavo misi yote ndingapi wakanda usipfari mitsindo yavo mihuru ndingapi waombaomba hasi urema woti naohonwao ndingapi hewasvika usibhare chikuru chenda amurira chavo ndinyi wewakarachi ahana achitsemba sakuroyi wavo kala munhu arali ovahone izvo ovakuroyiwa tsiko na mhepo yamusi erukamba malire wovapangano yavoto pasavo shakadza wova mudivisi wavatu ngavayunivhesiti shakadza wosimura udhokotera zvisvinira mabofu yunivhesiti yaVenda wova musumbedzi wavatu Stellenbosch fundo dzavo wagura wei sei yamadhanje ndiyopedzisavo varangapanda vavo uva rangera pana navo vevakundisi vavo ndotama kuva havo ndiyatevera nuedze chitatu chambiri kutamatama uchinyenga kanani ndaragamira ndokakamira chikarani kadenga mungwe weyambona avakodalanya muope na paswana wabiruchirizi kusive na munhu kavachira umuno musi mashaka vongarangara chikarani musi madunhu kannemuone achitita asaimi musi tunguni usina mukoma waufarisa dangano munikero waupepera chikorovuone uchilibva kubva lira lau lakauwa latumuwasa mmemupeli obebaunga mbavu zao hewasvikera zolekuwa naho zotoda hautali hewadodonga wapupuleza naho oana upindudzawo wotoma mimwendano nakadzikiva zviambaro zva mukumba kapa waoda zvasvika kwavo cherete wodihadzima uchinga waluto naho usiyene mitava yakukwata nokuforoma zvidhina warengisa kupindudzawo wahura hatamisa vavoni vote ndane usinziye ndichishangaira ngandara na kushaya muvara wavo nawanga zvakutoma kuona rakashama nanewe anyadzea ndavoka nachau chihunzi misi yote mbokorowo atyami woilwela worwa chimwi vaukutodawo vasikoni waumutana nda vovigwa navo ndouchereka ya makumbo ndi tanzi ya mato makundi vanji vewavimedza ene payunivheri aranifuki ovakapichira ovachikoni wogura chivanga ndokuona sarupenyu musi nokakirwa misi yote ndichiuona nemukuru simuramureri wanga osvika ndokuona sarupenyu musi iwe ukakerwa uchinda yanga tuso ndaidisa ndokura zvanga zvote ndovureye ntame kadokona muratu ndingaita hani ndichibore muntu ukozvipa ukoudza vatu uri koshumisana zvisizvone ukorengesa kukuyenga zvisizvone ntame katavanyasvike chituke hapa ndorengore mukomana wangu machero nidombudza musi rofara heiloto richikudipina ntambene katoreya zvikwekwe okwatisa udokarobabudza apa ndi musi umutingati wobesheloto aliwa pasonamba pochituki loto idovalavaviliwa girama matambyanganengane yapfupina vureni wova mukuru muntu umburi wa dzangano lavamwari chiwa odiva nkiribeyi union ya university mteso uvhasa navasauri ndivo mutumi wazvo murambedzi wazvo vatidova hapo vava iwe wotougara ngachakupamavo vauteverawo rodikuda ngakudo havo nakupfumo ravo namuta wavo kuneva yaone ungura mubva nabhoho mubva nabhoho mufunzi masi yatakara onawo uvole pale hau upfumo uvole pale hau upfumo akura hamulenje hatangana na chikolo fito cha Mkarara kabono wagidima wasia bamilenje mibili yote samishasha bone ilila weza samatenda tsoma kurokoza murava vochi vavo vava vakumberi vatusumisi yote muhuro wavo waukovera vana vavasiwana mimwaha ikurawo mutava usichena chine wakama kamagavera mushumani wavo wamizi washanduka wavanda mberi yavashaya kubaza chikoro vasiwana vadivawo university vasivana vadivawo university ngachawo chikwama murwapasana fundo dza zvikoro computer wapakira kusina tidza na ukoroma fundo dza zvikoro murambedzi wacho avaiwe murwanyamuhombe pasvara kerekera vafunzi vadivaiwe kumurambedzi asadziwa kereke warambedza uchitonimwa musiki ouneya mundambedza yone cheredzi vaberega ya kereke na ndambedzi dza zviimiswa varwa mukupa wa ukumberi ndaima ndaigamera ndasedza wote musi vachirenguruva vachituwa zvipatiro zvavo zvichimwemwera vote vovataka ngamafundo anova navo goroi vafunzi navamwari vebhuku dzavo wavarengera dzisatuputulurwa zviimiswa zvachaya mbuyero wakagadira ngazvanda zvavo warambedza konani dzamaoko dzaukungudza kushereni nakwamalawu chikwama ngamiluvengione romurabuka uchimbererani nakwama rinerivasikiri ngaliteverawo mwari yavuda apukunya chisima cha mari chisahi musuku masvina varira vachiseya kusimumwa ngachisima cha ndaramo chokure yavo hodhera girachi purasi kuendera mashango ngadzaunana wopata woturaro lichini chekusi chikone kahaungu chino nkerebeni Edward Pashala muhaka asikuti chera na mtawawa kapuchiro hapa wote ilushaka ndini ofanywa ongai wa mbilu ya mbaba leo ya upule oraro nati muti hachato angokuya araregesi murato wakuchiro hasho weyavakristu anga kuchiro ni bhunyu arari kusongova ushanuka lipedzi lakuchiro usina chihuni fundo yanga nikumu arari ndapedzo yova yoshayera ndivo yanga ivasvisi arari kusongova panga myaka uvahanga ndimbungo yakutara nandapedzo yakuchiro havo ndira yewaifara rote roifara yotofamba namadhuruba na chipinga ndambedzo dzewaita uneya ewaneya na mushumo yangu yote zopata nungu ya uchini hachote ngeli tatu na musi rivokuda university rivokuda wachivenda ngachivenda mbambedzo ya Xisuthu na Tshivenḓa wo pfuvisa tshituki ndi u guda dea luambo nga luṅwe luambo musi vhakalaha na mukegulu fhesiho ri mbo ḓi shandukisa zwino Tshivenḓa tshi ḓo kona nga Tshivenḓa tenda Tshivenḓa tshi no ṅwalwa nyambo dza 11 dza tshiofisi voda ili lambo voda vengo na zwa vivo la vhavengi vha Tshivenḓa musi kondo kotila sagwadi ḽa mutile phaswana ukelebeni phaswana atira u fana na tsimbi yo swava ya Roma arali wo kundwa huṅwe fhethu iwe phaswana nṋe ndi ri Tshiputu ndi yadza mavhofhelo a si yaho ndi tshi fhedza ndi vhuya na musedza nga ito ḽa mbona tsiwana ndi tshi litsha musedza nga ito ḽa mbona ng'ombe ndavheni
hezwi ri kumadimachi ukangwa dzidio dzipidzindi dzipidzi mini zikaitosolo uri dzidio toirose chikuwa chiyati chimwe chifika kuitirawo vatu kavave na ndivo nyana zvine zvadovatusa uita kani sazvozoita kani chifika chote ngatiza chiefs na pirates asi zvavudi rikodhaka chifhinga chakutorwa chine radohumbera uri vatu vote vakonodzineya chifhinga chautecheresa. If God is with us, who can be against us? If God had protected us from the childhood, the puberty stage, who can take us? Ndidohumbera rwimbo ururapfunyana richikoyota ngokutakusa kotsi yashu Pastor Dr. Mulingwe vachikoda uri neasemoni yanamusi